Now in the previous video, you will have watched me try and print out an object, and you'll see what it looks like when you print out an object. So we've made 100 zombies in this very simple example above. Watch the previous video if you haven't, else this will make very little sense. But if I was to print out one of my objects, so I'll just print out the first zombie in the list. So it's called zombies, so square bracket 0 is the first zombie in my list. Now it's got a name, it's got a health, and it's got a power, yet my output is this, which is quite messy. Now it does have meaning, but for us as a user it's not very good. If you want to change that because you regularly want to just have a default printout for any object that you make, you can do that, and it's with another special type of method like the initialize one for instantiation. It's got 2 underscores, but this time it's def underscore underscore str for string underscore underscore self. It's already typed in for me. Now in here, if we want to return something, so whatever we return is going to become what's printed out. So if we've got a certain thing we want to print out, we could build it here. So for example, we could return a message like, I don't know, name. Let's do this in a format. So name, and we'll do, you saw me do this within a loop last time, we'll just do the same type of thing. Self.name, and I'm only going to do 1. I could go further, but we'll go for power, and we'll do self.power. Okay, so by creating this special method here, this is going to affect when I print out an object. So when I run this, look, now it's saying Dave power 12. So that is what gets printed out every time I try and print the actual object. And obviously if I pick another zombie, so zombie 33, it's still called Dave, but he's got a different power. Let's go for 34. Please don't be called Dave. There you go. We've got a Sally with a power of 20. So you can change what it looks like when you print out objects using this method here, which is 2 underscores either side of str.